Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your email name over on the Outlook app. So basically, if you want to just have your normal email but you want to change how you are viewing that email and how other people are viewing that email, then here's how you can do that. So first of all, open the Outlook app just like this, and once you've done that, go to the top left corner of your screen at your profile picture and then head over to the bottom left corner of your screen at that settings icon. Once you've done that, click on Mail Accounts and click on Google right here, or any account you have linked of course, and then right here you'll find your email and your description. However, your description you can literally change whatever you want. So when I type in test just like this and click on done, right now my description or name is actually set to test, and we can literally see right now that it will basically view or say test basically everywhere, as you guys can see. As you guys also can see right here in the Google, it will also say test. And that's basically how you can change your email name over on the Outlook app. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.